The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wabash County, Indiana, western Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, southern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Winona Lake, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Columbia City, North Manchester, Winona Lake, South Whitley, Pierceton, Silver Lake, Claypool, Longvale, Brickett, Sydney, Big Barbie Lake, Ridinger Lake, Loran, Liberty Mills, Collimer, Irish Lake, Luther, Peabody, and Little Chapman Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Kosciuszko, Wabash, and Whitley.